There comes a moment in every person's life when everything falls apart, when the plans you made crumble before your eyes, when the people you trusted walk away, when the world grows silent, and all that's left is you and the weight of your pain. You wonder why it happened, why the ground beneath you had to give way, why the very things you built your life upon had to break. It feels cruel, unfair, like life is tearing something sacred out of you. But what if it's not punishment? What if it's preparation? Sometimes the breaking is not meant to destroy you, it's meant to reveal you. The truth is, nothing beautiful is ever built without first being broken. The seed has to break before the plant can rise. The ground must be torn open before the harvest can grow. The heart must be humbled before it can love purely. The soul must be shattered before it can be made whole. We fear the breaking because we can't see the purpose behind it. We only see the pain, but the same hands that allow the storm are the ones that guide you through it. The same fire that hurts is the fire that purifies. The same weight that bends your knees is the pressure that strengthens your spirit. The breaking is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of your becoming. Life will test you. It will bring you to your knees. But maybe that's exactly where you need to be to finally look up. Maybe the silence you feel right now isn't absence, but alignment. Life is bringing you to the place where you can hear the whisper of purpose for the first time. So many people want the blessing, but run from the breaking. They pray for strength, but avoid struggle. They want the crown, but fear the cross. But it's in the struggle where you find out who you really are. It's in the breaking that you discover the strength you never knew you had. When everything falls apart, that's when you meet the truth about yourself. You learn that real strength doesn't come from control. It comes from surrender. Real courage doesn't mean you never fall. It means you keep getting back up. Real faith isn't proven in comfort. It's forged in the fire of adversity. Some of the most powerful people on earth were once broken beyond repair. The difference is that they didn't stop there. They didn't make their pain their prison. They made it their purpose. They realized that brokenness is the birthplace of transformation. It's where weakness ends and wisdom begins. It's where the old self dies so something new can rise. Maybe life is not falling apart. Maybe it's falling into place. Maybe this breaking is not about what you've lost, but about what you're being made ready for. Because the truth is, building always comes after breaking. The storm always clears the sky before the sunrise. The pain you feel today is not without purpose. It's the foundation being laid for a new chapter of your life. Every scar tells a story of survival. Every tear waters the soil of new beginnings. Every closed door is making space for something greater that's waiting to enter. So stop cursing the breaking. Stop running from the lessons. Stop believing that this pain means it's over. It doesn't. It means something inside you is being reborn. You are being rebuilt. Every time you rise after falling, you become more than you were before. Every time you forgive when you could hate, you grow stronger than the pain that tried to break you. Every time you keep going when you could quit, you prove that your spirit is unbreakable. Life's greatest victories are often hidden inside its hardest battles. The people who shine the brightest are often the ones who have walked through the darkest nights. You may not see it now, but one day you will look back and understand why it had to happen the way it did. One day you'll realize the storm didn't destroy you, it defined you. Pain has a way of awakening purpose. Suffering has a way of stripping away the superficial until only truth remains. The truth of who you are, the truth of what you believe, the truth of what really matters. When everything else is taken from you, you find what cannot be taken, your faith, your fire, your will to keep going. Brokenness is not weakness. It is the beginning of strength, because only broken soil can grow something new. Only shattered glass can reflect light in every direction. Only hearts that have been broken can truly understand compassion. You were never meant to stay the same. You were meant to evolve, to rise, to transform. So if you're in the breaking right now, hold on. There's purpose in it. The pain is shaping you. The waiting is preparing you. The struggle is building you. Don't give up in the middle of your story. Don't walk away when you're only one chapter away from breakthrough. What looks like the end might just be the turning point you've been praying for. You are not being buried. You are being planted. And when the time is right, you will rise again. The version of you that will emerge on the other side of this season will not be the same. It will be stronger, wiser, and more grounded. It will not be shaken by every storm. It will not bow to fear. It will not depend on the world to feel worthy. It will know who it is. It will know its purpose. It will know that breaking was never the end. It was the beginning of becoming. So if life has broken you, thank it. If the fire has burned you, learn from it. If people have left you, bless them and move forward. Because every loss carries a lesson. Every fall hides a seed of growth. Every ending is secretly an invitation to begin again. You will rise. You will rebuild. You will walk out of this stronger than you've ever been. Because what was meant to destroy you will become the very thing that defines you. And when that day comes, when the dust settles and the light returns, you'll look back and realize that everything you thought was breaking you was actually building you. The pain did not come to end your story. It came to reveal your power. You are being refined, renewed, and reborn. You are not finished. You are just getting started. If this message spoke to your heart today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another video that lifts your spirit and strengthens your faith. And if you're ready to go deeper, to truly grow in your walk with God and understand His Word on a deeper level, check out the link in the description and come join Awakening Righteousness Ministry, where we dive into the truth of Scripture and awaken the righteous version of who God created you to be. God bless you. Stay strong in faith and remember, your story isn't over. It's just beginning.